Hey folks, it's Don from Elastic Strength, and in this video I want to share a new hamstring exercise that I discovered with the Body Elastics bands. A very good hamstring exercise because it activates both the extension, hip extension, and the leg flexion functions of the hamstring in one exercise. So it's the standing leg curl. Now to set this up, you want to have the band attached near the floor. I have it attached to my power rack, the back bottom brace of my power rack. Now you could attach it to any other attachment near the floor, including using one of the Body Elastics band anchors and a sturdy door. You don't need a very heavy band. You do want to have a small platform to stand on with the non-working legs so that your working foot will easily clear the floor. So you can see I'm taking the band off of my left leg. I always train my left weaker leg first, and I'm attaching it to the right leg. You want to have your position set up so that when you are standing, the band has tension in it, so it's pulling your leg forward. You'll see that just shortly here as I stand up and pull the, see I have to pull the band back, and the band has tension in it at this moment, so it's activating the hip extension function of the hamstrings, and then you can see it pulls my leg a little bit forward of the other leg as I come to the extended position of each repetition. And then you just perform the leg curl. So this is a very intense contraction at the top because the hamstring is extending backward and flexing the leg. You can see it's as you kick backward slowly at the top, you are also extending the thigh backward. You see my thigh goes backward a little bit behind the support leg. So you got hip extension and leg flexion going on at the same time, which results in a very strong hamstring contraction. So I hope you find this useful, and I'll talk to you in the next video.